Hey guys, FireHog0331 here, and today I'm going to make a follow-up of my last video of the Mario sounds when you lock and unlock your device. This is going to be very similar, both Mario sounds, but different parts of Mario. So we're going to slide my device, and I'll lock it. So yes, this is very cool. Can get annoying sometimes, but I like it. So yeah, I'm going to tell you to get it now. First, you go into CYDIA. And by the way, if you haven't checked out my last video, don't forget to do that. Now once CYDIA loads, type in Mario Power. Oops. That's exactly how you spell it. It won't come up unless you spell it like that. So you're going to click on that. And where it says modify, you're going to hit install. And then once you have that, you're going to exit out of CYDIA and enter Winterboard. There you go. It's going to say sounds by Amber, but that's what just comes up. So we'll select that, respring your device, and there you go. You now have Mario sounds. So thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll talk to you all later. Peace.